Hello friends, welcome to my channel Bhartivan Specials, and in today's Rare Food Specials I wanted to show you a variety made out of this vegetable. This is called snake gourd and in Telugu we call this potlakaya. So the dish name is potlakaya perugu pachadi, snake gourd yogurt chutney. I give a shout out to my neighbor Anasurya who have given this potlakaya snake gourd to me, which is grown in her garden. So for today's dish I'm just using this one piece of snake gourd potlakaya. As a first step you have to peel the skin. Just take a knife and just like here, like peel it off with slightly, not like too much. Okay. And then after that just cut into pieces. You have to remove the seeds, like whatever you have in between. This is not used. So here I'll just show you one and then you can. So basically you have to cut everything into small pieces here. So this is good. This is the size it should be. And you have to do that for all the pieces. Friends, I'm done with all the cutting into pieces. So this is what I have, one small bowl. And as a next step, just boil this pieces until they are tender. Friends, here this I have been cooking this for almost 10 to 12 minutes now, and it's all done here. So you should not overcook this. Okay, now I am ready to filter this. So like this, and just squeeze out the excess water from this once it's cold. Squeezing of excess water, I ran through the cold water at this point. So like this. Friends, for this dish lot of ingredients goes into the tempering, so let us clearly look at those ingredients. What we need is oil, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric, onions, salt, green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, mustard seeds powder, dry ginger powder, we call this sonti in Telugu, black pepper powder. The mustard seeds powder, dry ginger powder and black pepper powder are really the main ingredients for this dish and are not optional. These really adds the real taste for the dish. So avala podi, sonti podi, miryala podi compulsory dish ki, dantoti taste add avutadi. Friends, this is all ready. I squeeze the excess water from the snake gourd. Potlakaya nunchi water anta teesesina, pindesina. Now time for tempering. First thing is, let's take the pan, and once it's heated, add oil. I'm taking like 3 tablespoons. So once oil is heated, start off with cumin seeds, mustard seeds. Here goes onion, cut onions into small pieces. So jilakara avalu ainanka onions esina. The main ingredient again, chili paste, is very important. It adds very nice taste. So I'm adding green chili paste. I freshly grinded green chilies just now. Once the green chili paste is little bit fried, ginger garlic paste, little bit of turmeric and couple of curry leaves, and time to add the snake gourd, already cooked one. So let's fry the snake gourd pieces. So here I fried this for a few minutes. So add salt. I'm now adding the mustard seeds powder. So ava podi koncham choose add chesdamu. Dry ginger powder, sonti podi, of black pepper powder. So let the mixture get cooled down. Once the mixture is cooled down, that's where you add into the yogurt. So this is yogurt, homemade yogurt, perugu, todishna perugu. And one thing is, you don't have to add the entire mixture in here. You can store the mixture and add to the yogurt quantity as needed. I'm adding this. So let me check how much I need, and then the remaining I can store and add to the later day. This is my husband's favorite dish, and this is my mother-in-law's recipe actually. She makes very good. Here, పొట్లకాయ పెరుగు పచ్చడి ready. Snake guard, yogurt chutney, all done. Friends, if needed, you can add salt and the other powders like pepper powder, dry ginger powder, and mustard powder based on the taste. If you need more, you can add into here. And also they say that you shouldn't eat egg on the day you eat snake guard. So పొట్లకాయ తిన్న రోజు egg తినొద్దంటారు. So you can check on that. And hopefully you like this recipe, and this dish goes very well with rice, also with naan or chapati. And I have seen this dish made during Batkama season, like Telangana Floral Festival Batkama appudu ma intlo perugu pachadi punti kura chanigelu compulsory chestunde. Friends, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.